Okay guys, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. This is me doing another unboxing. This is of the ROC cat. So this is me doing the unboxing. It's just another keyboard I bought just to do unboxings. So let's get to it. Right, so there's the box. Okay, so this is the back burr now. It's got, this will tell you all the functions. One thing I will say that it's quite a nice design. I mean, the compact design, it is quite nice. It's quite small. I mean, I haven't tested it yet. I mean, it only just come back yesterday, so I mean, for any of the information you'd like, it's by you obviously. I mean, the macro management and the anti-ghosting compatibility is quite nice. I mean, for gaming it's quite nice. That's all the features there. So yeah, it's got all this little information, but look, see the package contains, see the driver disc and all that, the book, quick install guide. It's rated for Windows 7, so this must be quite old. But I got it for £12.50 online, so it's not so bad, like, you know. But yeah, that's the box. So let's get into it, is it? There's a little thing by here, look. Right, that look, is it? Right, this is second hand, so obviously it's not going to come like this if you bought it, but it's not so bad, you know. This is the keyboard, a little programmable button at the top. It's got it's got a bit of flex to it. Buttons, I don't like the buttons, but I mean, it really doesn't, you know, it really doesn't matter. It's got little feet here which come out. You know, it's quite nice. I mean, it's got all your normal buttons and all that stuff. It's got the numpad by here, which has got this little button at the top, programs, so you can program each button for certain features. But I mean, the button strokes, these are okay. I like the click on them, but it's, you know, it's alright, I suppose. But you know what, you get in it for £12.50. I think for brand new, I think these are about £40. So I mean, they're not bad for the price, but nothing I'd like. I mean, for me, I just bought a new mechanical keyboard, so sorry that video was quite crap in quality. My attachment for my phone is kind of pantsed, so I had to use my my Fujifilm camera here to use this. So I mean, trying to upscale the bloody resolution, which is only 720p, which, you know, is quite crap to be honest, but you know, I mean, trying my best, you know. At least I got a camera to do things. But yeah, so yeah, right, okay, so that's the video on the Roccat compact gaming keyboard. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that like button, and Welshie will see you again. Welshie out.